Hi, I'm Jay Delong, and today we are chatting about the EVIL Summit, or the Emerging Venture Leaders Summit, which each time we've gotten together, we found more and more interesting things, important things that we can do as venture investors at the summit, things that we can share, things that we can do collaboratively, but more importantly, it's about friendships, it's about getting together and meeting each other and putting a name to a face for future syndications or for friendship. Ongoing, we're going to have a lot more stories from the trenches, from partners who can share their successes and also their tools on how they continue to be effective. This year we've added lightning talks on emerging topics so the associates can discuss what works and what doesn't work, what's an investable company in a particular space that they see a lot of traffic, a lot of flow in. And what's kind of interesting about it is this year we're going to record those lightning talks so that they're a valuable resource in our archive, but also it's very interesting content that's got social media viability. And so we're looking forward to sharing that after the content. Each associate has the ability to tweet that and share that with their colleagues and potentially entrepreneurs who are trying to fund a deal in that space. The Emerging Venture Leaders Summit is for and by investors, those who are seeking knowledge and impact in the dynamic early stages of venture investing, drilling down into emerging technologies and the models and the tools that make early stage investing more successful. The conferences are a great place for us to put a name to a face as well, for future syndications and just for friendship in the industry. One of the challenges of being an investor in the Midwest, there's distances between cities, between firms, and we don't have a lot of opportunity for the body contact that we really need to establish relationships and to meet folks we're interested in syndicating deals with. So this conference gives us the ability to put a name to a face and to understand each other's sort of scopes and investment interests and principles, and to help each other succeed and help the entrepreneurs in our portfolio succeed at the next level. Last year we had over 40 venture firms come together in one city, in one place, and at an associate analyst level, and talk about what the trends we were seeing. We had a number of panels about some of the most interesting trends of emerging technology and sectors and subsectors, and we got a chance to meet some of the technologists involved in the space, and they explained some of those technologies to us and helped us get a sense of what were truly paradigm or game-shifting technologies versus those things which were just making minor tweaks around the edges. And so having that understanding of technology was very important, but also understanding what each other's investment criteria and investing notions were. That was very important, putting a name to a face of some of the folks we've talked to on the phone. That's really important. When we're interested in chatting with other folks about a deal we're looking at, it's nice to be able to call somebody that we know and we trust, and it's a friend. And when you're in outside of a concentrated place like San Francisco or Silicon Valley, it's tough to have that body contact. It's tough to establish those relationships. And so that's probably the best aspect of the Emerging Venture Leaders Summit, or EVILS as we like to call it by the time it's over.